What's up, weirdos? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. All right, so we got some panic in the streets because we got a tiny bit of red. We got an average of about 6% red across the altcoin market, and everyone is losing their freaking minds, right? We're going to talk about that in another video shortly, guys. But for now, we have a summit in Tokyo that Hara is hosting, and we got a couple of other things to talk about that might be the housing market and stuff like that, that might be some of the reason you're seeing a little bit of red today. We're going to have a look at the Bitcoin chart as well. We're going to look at Ethereum, and we're going to look at some of your favorite altcoins. Let's dive right into it, guys. Jasmy down 4%. An avalanche of red at 4%. Up 9.2 on the week, 62.3 on the month, but down 36 on the year. We are down one spot in rank to 93, an $888 million market cap, and $100 million in volume. Swiftcoin down 4% on the day as well, 10% on the week, up 21% on the month, and 190% on the year. We are down 11 spots in rank to 331, a $123 million market cap, and 2.54 million in volume. Guys, we are back down to prices we have not seen since way back in 5 days ago. Right? What else is going on out there? Where is XCN? Down 8 on the day, 6 on the week, up 32.2 on the month, and 988% on the year. Down 6 spots in rank to 117, a $598 million market cap, 32 million in volume. And where is our beloved Zebek? Down 8.5 on the day, up 22.3 on the week, 1.3 on the month, and 208% on the year. Down 4 spots in rank, 173, a $339 million market cap, and 33 million in volume. All right, things look absolutely dreadful. My goodness, guys, how will we survive? I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, that's right. I zoomed out to the monthly. Oh, that's right. Everything is absolutely fine. I forgot. All right, let's get over to the Bitcoin chart. What's going on over there, guys? So I did say last night, guys, I'll pull up the video right now. I swear I'll do it. I said yesterday that we could likely come down and completely engulf this green candle with a red one. And here we are. We did, and then we wicked back up. We exactly hit the bottom of this candle, and we wicked right back up again to 117,955 doll hairs. But what do we always talk about here, guys? It doesn't matter where these candles wick to, it matters where they close. There is a lot of time left. We've got 8 hours and 50 minutes left of this daily candle. We could close this candle way back up here over 119,000, or we could continue to dump. We'll see what happens, right? But I think a lot of people are going to be buying this dip. You're already seeing buying pressure from the drop to 117,000. Guys, we haven't even dipped as low as we did yesterday. Not even close. We dipped down yesterday to 116,126. The furthest down we've gotten today is 117,985. We're back up to 117,000, almost 118,000. Imagine feeling bearish at 118,000. You guys remember just like a couple of months ago, we were sitting at 74,000 and everyone was calling for a bear market except me and Caesar, really? And now people are feeling bearish. See, recency bias can really mess with you, man. It can really mess with you. Stay positive out there, guys. Zoom out, and you will see that everything is fine. Our timeline has not changed. End of November, that's our timeline, right? It hasn't changed at all. And I've shown you guys multiple times over the course of just the last year that we will see many corrections along the way. It's not going to be just green candles every day straight to the top. right? You're going to see, I don't know if you guys remember, about 3 weeks ago, I did a video showing you guys that during November of 2020 and November of 2021, that 12-month period, there were 15 corrections on the way up in the last bull run, the last phase of the bull run. 15 corrections that ranged from 11% to 44%, right? 15 of them. So you're going to see corrections along the way, guys. That's what saving dry powder is for. Not financial advice. You do you. But, nothing goes straight up. There are corrections. And at the end of the day, all we've done here over the last, 2 weeks is just go sideways. That is literally all we've done, is go sideways for 2 weeks. How anyone can be bearish, I don't know. Even if we came down and filled the CME gap at 114, I still would not be bearish, right? I still would not be bearish. We would still be well above all of our moving averages as well. Guys, I don't know what the emotion is about, man. I don't know what the emotion is all about. Got to get it out, man. You cannot invest based on your emotions. You're going to get completely wrecked, right? So, also going over to Ethereum's chart. Let's have a look there. Boom. Ethereum still inside of a bull pennant, still inside of a bullish structure. We could come down even further and fall out of this bull pennant. What matters is where we close these candles, right? We're still bullish structure on everything for the most part, right? Everything's up on the month. I'm gonna rant about that in another video, so I'm gonna leave that off the table for now. So what happened? People are asking. Well, funny you should ask, because according to Watcher Guru, $305 million liquidated from the crypto market in the past 4 hours. So a lot of longs basically got liquidated. So there's that, right? There is that. All right, let's continue on with the news. Now, usually that's going to get bought up, guys, but quick, we have a special thank you to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Guys, listen, this is a limited time deal that they have. This just went into effect last night. If you're a Zebek fan, you want a free Zebek airdrop, you want to pay attention to this really quick, guys. $20 off your Decent Biometric Wallet. This offer ends August 5th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, UTC. You do not want to miss this opportunity. Again, it's only till August 5th. You have to use my coupon code FUTURE20OFF, and you're going to get yourself $20 off your Decent wallet plus a 7,500 Zebek airdrop on your Decent wallet. There are a few steps you have to take, guys. I did a video breaking it down. But to sum it up really, really quick, you have to use my code FUTURE20OFF at checkout to get your extra $20 off. That's $30 off the official website. And the links are all down in the description, guys. And the distribution of the Zebek airdrop is going to happen on August 20th. Okay, so if you do do this today, tomorrow, whatever, and you don't get an airdrop right away, don't freak out. The airdrop's happening on August 20th, okay? But what you have to do when you receive your Decent wallet, it only takes a couple of days, you must submit your Zebek address to them by August 17th so that they know where to send the Zebek, okay? So make sure you do that, guys. The links are all in the description. Everything is in the description, what you need to do. Very, very simple process, guys. One key thing to note, this deal does not apply to the 2X products, okay? Just the normal products. It doesn't apply to the 2-for-1 on the Decent biometric wallets, okay? So, fantastic deal. $20 off your Decent wallet. Free Zebek airdrop to your Decent wallet. Guys, you can stake on there, take profits on there, gain APY. You really can't lose. Everyone's going to need a Decent wallet going into the next bull run. Anyway, so check out the exclusive offer once again down below in the description. All right, let's continue on with the video, shall we? What else do we have? And I got a phone ringing in the background. Hopefully you guys don't hear it. Off-chain, Tokyo, and Junction. Yes, that's right. Hara, the founder and CEO, Tuesday, July 29th. We work WeWork Art Hills South. If you're in Tokyo, check it out. So Hara is one of the busiest men in crypto. He is actually coming on my channel for an interview soon. I'm just waiting for him to get back to me with a date. Obviously, he's a very, very busy man. He asked me when worked for me. I told him, hey, man, I'll work around your schedule. You are very clearly far more busy than I am. I'm not running a global company. I'm just chilling with my peeps in the community, okay? So get me a date, and I will be there. Signed, sealed, and delivered. So Hara is coming on the channel, guys, just a matter of time. But as you can see, he is a very busy man. In July of 2025, Off-Chain Tokyo will be a meetup from the GPU sharing platform. Mr. Hara, founder and president of Junction, and Mr. Kato, community manager, are guests. Absolutely fantastic, guys. So here are all the deets about Junction. Obviously, Junction is a GPU sharing platform that targets high-performance GPUs such as the H100 and B200 to consumer GPUs. With its unique procurement network and GPU distributed management technology, it provides GPUs necessary for AI development. So they provide GPU processing power for graphic designers, Web3 gaming developers, AI and AI agent developers, and so much more, guys, at an affordable price if you don't know what Junction's all about, okay? Very, very fantastic. Hara, if you don't know Hara, guys, I don't know what to tell you, man. The guy's the man, the myth, the legend. You can't go wrong with him, okay? And also, quickly, guys, there's more. So I talked about the housing market. So the U.S. home prices hit record highs in June. So you might be asking, well, what does that mean? Well, overall for crypto, the outlook leans bearish. In the short term, due to the economic pressures from high home prices, reducing risk appetite. However, crypto's role as a hedge and ongoing regulatory support could mitigate downside risk, right? So it's kind of like bullish and bearish, but leaning a little bit more towards bearish. That could be another reason you're seeing a little bit of red in the market this morning, but it is nothing to freak out about, in my opinion. So guys, listen, this is absolutely fantastic. I have another video coming out shortly addressing the market and all of the red and all of the bearishness and negativity in the market. We're going to be talking about that as well. But for now, guys, listen, if you're new to crypto, there is a stat out there that is very, very alarming, and it is a real stat. It is not a fear-mongering stat, okay? Only 10% of people who invest in crypto make actual, true, life-changing wealth. If everybody was making life-changing wealth in crypto, why is everyone not driving Lamborghinis, right? Because it's a myth, okay? Not everyone does. And the reason for that is simple math. 10% of people who invest in crypto make true multimillionaire life-changing wealth because the other 90% lose in crypto. And there's a variety of reasons why they do that. They hold too long, they sell at a loss, and they panic, they're emotional, they buy the wrong projects, they get rugged, they get scammed, they get misled by YouTubers telling them super cycles are coming, right? 90% of people lose in crypto so that 10% can win. That is just the simple math of it. It doesn't make sense if someone's telling you 90% of people in crypto are going to win, we're all going to win. We're not all going to win. Right? You need to have the right guidance. Guys, listen, on the Patreon, we have been here through 3 cycles now, through multiple cycles, okay? And we can help navigate you through this space and make sure that you are one of the 10%, not one of the 90% who loses in crypto, because greed is an ugly thing, guys. And you may be sitting there right now while you're not affected by it thinking, oh, I'll be fine. No, you won't. 90% of people in crypto are not, okay? Trust me when I tell you this, you will get crypto drunk, you will get euphoria, and it will be difficult for you to navigate this space. You will not know up from down, left from right. Join a community of thousands of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can and will navigate you through this space to get out of it with your profits intact. We teach you everything you need to know on how to front run this market and how to get out before everybody else does. It's in the description, guys. Check it out for yourselves. We're also live over there every single day. We got thousands of people, 8 different chat rooms, micro cap gems. We just dropped one the other day that went up 200% overnight. We drop daily altcoin picks and so much more, guys. Check it out today. The link is in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.